Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my blog about appreciation on ICT. So information on communication technology plays a crucial role in our daily lives, revolutionizing how we communicate, learn, and work, from smartphones to cloud computing. ICT has transformed industries and enhanced global connectivity. Example includes social media platforms that keep us connected, video conferencing tools like Zoom that enable remote collaboration, and educational technologies like online courses that make learning accessible to all. In this blog, we'll explore the significance of ICT and how it continues to shape our world. For example, this tab that I use to open other apps like Facebook, to communicate others and exchange information. That's all. Thank you.